Welcome. In front of me is an Infinix SMART 8, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So, to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now we are looking for the screen recording toggle, which by default looks to not be added, so we will need to do that ourselves by clicking right here on these three dots and then selecting edit icons there and looking for screen recorder. Click on the plus button, go back, and you should see it somewhere here. Once you see it, simply press on it. I am going to pause it for the moment. So if you hold it, it will take you to these settings, and here you can find out how it's set by default and also customize it a little bit further. Now while recording or having it paused, we won't be able to change certain things, but we have things like record a device sound, so basically whatever the sound the phone makes. Then we have microphone, image quality, which is set to 720p, show taps, and also enable do not disturb mode, which these two are turned off. Anyway, let's just resume play or recording. So whatever you will do right now on the device, this will be recorded. I do want to open up one of the applications, but it doesn't look like it's present on the phone, so I guess I'm not gonna do that. Let's open up something like Firefox. Anyway, once you're done recording, you can interact with this overlay and click on the square. This will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. We can also access a couple different things on this panel. We have the record button, folder, which takes us into a location where you will find only screen recordings, settings, which we can also access by holding the toggle, and obviously the close option. Now opening up our Photos application, if I can find it, Play Store. Do we have a gallery in here maybe? Oh yeah, we have gallery. So I'll open that up, and here we can navigate to folders, and you'll find screen recording folder. Now, I did want to record a specific application because screen recorder is limited to a certain extent. Android comes with a feature that is designed for privacy purposes and also protection of your data. So some applications can enable this, like for the most part bank applications use this to prevent malicious other applications from being able to see, for instance, your bank information and stuff like that. So in case of such an application, when you're trying to use screen recorder, which falls under the category of kind of spying in a way, what you will end up having recorded is a fully black screen. So if you ever encounter a fully black screen, just know that this was the application that was just preventing you from being able to record it, and there's nothing you can do about it. Now the reason I'm pointing that out is because when it comes down to apps like bank applications, that's all fine. It gets annoying, but it's not a big deal. Where it gets effing annoying is with, for instance, streaming applications like Netflix, which does this without your permission and holds no privacy concerns for you. So in that aspect, it's just a middle finger from the company, and you can't do anything about it. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.